Hello everyone. Let's match pictures to the words. We're going to read 3-letter words and then we're going to match the pictures to the words. Are you ready? Let's go. S, it, s, it. Sit, sit. S, ix, six. Six, six. Z, I, p, zip, zip, zip. L, I, p, lip, lip, lip. T, I, n, t, I, n. Tin, tin. P, I, n, p, I, n. Pin, pin. Well done everyone. Fantastic reading. Great reading. Well done. K, I, d. K, I, d. Kid, kid. L, I, d. L, I, d. Lid, lid. B, I, n. B, I, n. Bin, bin. W, I, n. W, I, n. Win, win. P, I, g. P, I, g. Pig, pig. B, I, b. B, I, b. Bib, bib. Well done everyone. Fantastic reading. Great reading. Well done. Hello parents. If you like this video and would like to use these resources, please visit my Etsy store where you will find many early years teaching resources created by an early years experienced teacher, that is me. These resources can be used in classroom or at home to support children's early reading. The sheet can be printed, cut and pasted instantly or laminate for daily uses. I use this in my classroom. The children absolutely loves it and I get great results in their reading. I hope it works for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.